po si Marinel Soliba, ang primary DTF operator ng 30cm dito sa Ilocos. Ito po ang machine namin na nagamit ng 6 na araw na may total meters of 25. Ito naman po ang printer head. Huling palit po nito is noong April. Ito naman ang cupping na may 90% good condition. Head clean. Nozzle check. Ito naman po ang ink tank area. Ang ink system po nito ay tama lang. Ground wire. Waste tank. EVR. Ito naman po yung stocks namin sa used ink and used powder. Unused ink and unused powder. DTF film, cleaning solution, and white ink. Ito naman po yung DTF consumable monitoring. Ang record po ng cyan, magenta, yellow, black, white, DTF powder, and DTF cleaning solution. Ito naman po yung DTF daily output record for the month of August. Ito naman po yung DTF maintenance checklist for the month of August.